everybody, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. So today's video is going to be slightly personal. I just want to tell you that one good thing that lockdown has done me is help me gain a little bit of weight. And you guys know that when you gain weight, of course, the bust size changes, the panty size changes, the shapewear size changes, everything changes. So I went in for a little bit of an online, lingerie and intimate wear shopping. And then I realized that because there is a sale on Zivame, why not let me just tell you guys about everything that Zivame is actually offering right now. So if in case you're like me, just in case if you've undergone any kind of a size change and if you're in need for some good lingerie, or if you just want to upgrade your wardrobe with some really nice lingerie, or if you want to use the sale to have a backup of everything that you require for the rest of the year, my dear friends, this is the time, because Zivame is having their send off season sale. Now that is SOS sale, which is starting on the July 14, and they're actually giving a lot of offers. So the SOS sale this time on Zivame is actually giving mouth-watering offers, such as up to 60% discount, on their wide variety of things on Zivame's website or their application. They're offering, free shipping, which is amazing. Cash on delivery be available here, which is a repeated question that I get. Yes, COD is available on Zivame. Apart from that, if something you do not like or something is a misfit, of course there is very easy 15 days ka return and exchange policy. And the best part, you can avail additional, which is additional, on top of all 60% off and stuff, additional 10% ka discount if you use my coupon code. I'll leave the coupon code on the screen for you. That will be there for you so that you do not forget to use it, okay? So make use of this SOS or send off season sale on Zivame starting on July 14. I have a couple of things because of course I have put on weight. I'm not ashamed of it, but yes, when the bra gets tighter, it gets uncomfortable. So I knew that I had to switch over to some comfortable lingerie because it's really, really hot. Everything comes really securely packed in this kind of a packaging. So nowhere they actually mention it's lingerie. So it's pretty safe, Sometimes I don't find it comfortable when the delivery guys bring you stuff and they know that this is intimate wear. So I went in for a couple of things that I was in actual need of. First of all, I'm going to show you the bras because I love their bras, and it's just the Zivame's bras that I wear all the time. This is how they come packed in. Let me just quickly open it and show you guys. So there is this one style that I really like, which is very versatile, is this one. This is a really nice mauve color bra. So this is almost as good as nude, but also with a slight bit of a color, and I like this kind of a bra. I'll tell you why. So this is what it looks like in the front. It does not have any push-up or any effect as such, so you can wear it as a t-shirt bra. I'm already kind of heavy busted, so I did not need any extra push-up or anything, but if you need it, they have a variety of push-up bras as well. So there's very minimal padding, just a small little contour to kind of give you a little bit of a shape, and so that of course the nipples doesn't show. That's about it. And the front looks like this. It is completely seamless. So if you're wearing something like this, for example, and it has a lace, but if there's something, I'll give you a close-up with a t-shirt that actually shows the contours of any other bra if I wear. This one does not show, which is great, and it gives a really nice smooth contour, It gives you a really firm, seamless shape of the breast, which I think, and I'm just being very open about it because there's no shame in talking about lingerie and bra as such. If I am being very honest, it's very important that we talk about it openly. So this is what it looks like in the front. I love this balconette shape because it just goes with every attire. The back is the best part because you will understand if you're slightly heavier, you get a lot of bulges on the sides. If there is this much of width on the side, it actually tucks in all the bulges. So that makes it very, very comfortable, and I can just, roam around freely and confidently. By the way, the bra that I'm wearing underneath is also a Zivame bra. Exactly a copy of this one, but in a black color, because that is my best and the perfect, strapless bra. This also works as a strapless bra because you can remove the straps. And why it works as a great strapless bra is there is this silicone banding that is running on top of it. So when you wear it, it actually sticks onto your skin and it doesn't slide, which is the best part. I was talking about this, band. This is very wide. This is 3-row hook, which is something I really like because then it tucks all the uncomfortable things and it just gives you a very seamless finish. I am in love with this bra. If you think that you have a similar taste as mine, and if you wear t-shirts or प्लेन मोस्टली प्लेन टी शर्ट्स, होजरी टी शर्ट्स, उसमें तो बहुत ज़्यादा आपकी ब्रा का टेक्सचर नजर आता है. सो गो ahead and try this one out. It's really good. I love this bra. I will give you the exact name and everything on the screen for you so that you have a better idea, and of course I'll leave the link of everything in the description box below. Try this bra out. Since the time I've tried this one out, I have really kind of purchased a lot of these bras and they have never disappointed or failed me. Love this one. So guys, I'm wearing this cotton ka kurta under this rust color or that beautiful peach color ka bra. As you can see, of course there's hardly anything visible, and it's a very normal cotton fabric. If I show you, it's a cotton fabric and you can see everything inside, but the bra fits so nicely on that I can't even tell you. This is how the bra actually fits. It's beautiful, and I'll show you the back part. This is the back, so I'm sure you cannot see anything here in the back. You cannot see even the strap. This dress feels so comfortable underneath this bra. Look, just have a close-up. It's such a beautiful bra. It is such a beautiful bra and such a nice get-up it is giving. I just instantly feel so confident after wearing Zivami's bras. It just changes the entire look of your attire. Then I went for another bra, which of course you need because black is a color you absolutely need to have, and I have gone for a size change. So I needed one black bra in my size, and this is what I went for. This is also similar to that, but this is slightly different, and this is what it looks like. But then I feel like it's going to give me a little bit more support. Support is something I always seek for in my bras because it's just a thing. This is what the cup actually looks like. So don't worry about any dents or anything. They just get fine. It's not a problem at all. Do you see the heavy core? So the core part is actually the joint between the two cups, and if it is wider, that gives you a lot of support, which I deeply appreciate because I need a lot of support. The back is amazing in this one. Can you see the amount of fabric that is there? So that means that all the uncomfortable things will be hidden. A nice white strap. Of course this is detachable. Of course there's a silicone banding, so you can wear it as a strapless bra as well. And I love these kind of bras because they're just so versatile, because you can remove the strap, you can wear them as crisscross, you can literally wear them with every single thing. Look at this. I mean, it just looks so comfortable, and there is no padding or anything inside of it. Just a small little cushiony fabric that makes you feel comfortable and doesn't show your nipples, and that's about it. But again, I would tell you that if you want to go for push-up or something, you can definitely go for it. I'll just give you a close-up like this. So there is no push-up if you see, but I love their black bras, and because I wear bra every single day, I think it's extremely important to have a black color. Next I went for this really nice lavender or lilac color because I feel like it's a nude but slightly a bit different color. I'm so bored of that nude, so this also does not show under the t-shirt. I'm gonna wear a white t-shirt and show you guys that it does not actually peek through. So this also works as a good nude. Again, this is the same style of a balcony bra, which I absolutely love. You can also wear it in a million different ways, and you can remove the strap, wear it as strapless, and it is just so amazing. Extremely comfortable, seamless, and it's going to give you that confidence. Honestly, if I have to tell you, when I wear a bra, good bra, it just gives me an additional confidence because a good bra enhances your outfit, and it is very important to be comfortable inside to be able to project your confidence outside. This is the bra that I went for. This is one color I think I do not have in my collection, so I was very drawn to this one, and I think they introduced it this time only. So because I have this bra in a lot of colors, and I really like this bra. This is a really skimpy t-shirt. If I wear anything under this, it shows, but I'm wearing this really beautiful lilac or the lavender bra that I just showed you, and it does not show. It just acts as a really perfect nude bra, and if you can see, no side bulges here. You can't even see the bra ka contour on top, which is amazing, and it just gives such a perfect finish. Even if I show you at the back, I have a lot of fat, but it just tucks everything. And let me very honestly tell you guys that I have a lot of flab. I have a lot of uncomfortable issues with this part of my body, and this bra is doing such a great job. If you can see, it is such a perfect bra. I would highly recommend it. So yes, this bra actually gets a big thumbs up from my side. Next, I got this. Okay, so this is a shapewear. I am immensely in love with Zivame shapewear. The first thing is the price point, because they're very affordable. Generally, if you buy shapewear from any other brand, they are incredibly expensive, and I don't see the reason why, because the quality of Zivame is absolutely amazing. I have their lot of shapewear. This fabric is super stretchable, very comfortable at the same time, and the fabric is sturdy where it needs to be sturdy, such as this is a tummy tucker slash a thigh shapewear. So this actually gives a toned effect to your thighs, plus this fabric on top is slightly sturdy, so that when you wear it, it tucks in everything, all the flab and every issue. It's really nice. It doesn't roll down. The fabric is amazing. It washes very easily. It dries very quickly, and that's why I really like it. It's the perfect length on me, because sometimes I like to wear knee length dresses or even under salwar kameezes that are really tight. It is like seamless from stomach till your thighs. So that's the kind of effect that I like, and I would highly recommend their shapewear. They're really good. So this is the shapewear. It's super stretchable, if you can see, and it's extremely comfortable. I can't even tell you. And it has definitely flattened my belly part a little bit, which is amazing. I feel definitely much more toned, and I feel much more confident after wearing this shapewear. And this is what the shapewear actually looks like. It just firms everything and just makes you feel a little bit more confident. Moving on to, I think this is, moving on to their workout wear. I don't really work out, but sometimes I like to go for walks and I just want to be very comfortable. One thing that I've always spoken about is their leggings, I just love their leggings. I don't know why. Their workout leggings are so amazing, so comfortable. I went for this one, and they come in this brand called as Velocity. So this brand actually makes a workout wear as per the workout that you're going to do. So because I do a little bit of walking and a little bit of running and stuff, so I went for this. But you can go onto their website and read in the description, and every workout wear is designed for a particular workout. That I find is super fascinating. Velocity actually uses really good fabric. So this is the front. I like the fact that the band is very wide, so it gives you a tucked in effect. Plus they have really fun colors, cute designs and stuff, so you can go for whatever. They also have plain solid color leggings as well. If you go ahead and watch my previous Zivame videos, you'll get an idea what I'm talking about, because I think I have a lot of solid color Velocity color leggings, and they're still serving me. They're still in use, so that's why I can say that they're very durable also. There's a side this thing over here of different color, purple, orange and all of that, and then on this side there is a bit of lettering. This is the logo of Velocity. So yeah, they have tons and tons of leggings at a really cool price. Go ahead and try their leggings out. Very stretchable, very breathable and comfortable fabric. Moving on to something that I enjoy so much is their sleepwear. Their sleepwear is very comfortable, and they have tons of designs, and recently I believe they have introduced a lot of cute designs, cartoon ones especially. So I went for this big one. I'll show you, and it is just a pajama bottom, because I have so many old t-shirts and sometimes I just want to have a different t-shirt with a different pajama. This is a hosiery cotton material, and this is really beautiful. This is a light blue color one, and this is what it looks like. If you just have a look at this banding, this is so comfortable, because sometimes when the elastic of your pajama bottom is itchy, it is uncomfortable if it is very tight. This fabric is very soft, and so is the elastic inside of it, so it's very loose and soft and comfortable. I hope you understand what I mean. They also have given pockets, which is super good, and this is what it looks like. The best part, it is slightly tighter at the bottom on the ankle, so it doesn't kind of sweep the floor if it's longer on you. It just sits on your ankle perfectly. It is very comfortable, and it has really cute pics on it. Next up, I have this set. This is a sleepwear set, and this is slightly different than what I normally go for. So this is in a navy color. The fabric again is very good. As you can see, it's a very comfortable hosiery cotton material, and this is what it looks like. So it is slightly longer, full length sleeves, and it has this flower or a floral pattern, buttons in the front that actually open up, and this is slightly longer, so it goes below my hips. So I went for this and I think I really like it. And then it comes with this bottom, which is again the best part, that it's super comfortable. It comes with this kind of a nara, which is great. Then it goes all the way to the bottom like this. This one is not scrunched up on the ankle, so it is like this. Simple, normal sleepwear, which is meant for comfort, and that's exactly what this pajama set is going to give you. And this pajama set was actually at such a throwaway price that I was, you know, so amazed, and I'm so thankful to Zivame for actually giving us such competitive prices for such great quality products. So once again, I'm going to remind you that July 14th, Zivame is having their send off season sale, which is the SOS sale. Make full use of it because they are giving amazing offers such as up to 60% off on a wide variety of products, free shipping, cash and delivery is available, very easy, hassle-free 15 days ka return and exchange policy. And apart from that, avail the coupon code, which is Sana Zivame, which is very simple. Use it to get additional 10% off on your purchase of Zivame products. So that is a mind-blowing offer, guys. If you're in need of stuff, make use of this sale and stock up on your lingerie that you require on day-to-day basis. Also, I forgot to tell you that I have downloaded Zivame's app because it's very easy, hassle-free, and they give you a lot of offers and stuff. So make sure that you download the Zivame app on your iOS or on your Android device, and that makes life so much easier because that way it's so easy to navigate, and that way it is so easy to know about offers and sales and stuff. So I will leave the link of their application as well in the description box below, along with the link of all of these products that I've shown in this particular video of mine. If there is anything I'm missing out on Zivame, let me know that in the comment section as well, because I really would want to, you know, explore new things from Zivame. So thank you so much for watching this video. Definitely make use of the sale on July the 14th, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Till then, take very, very good care of yourself, and I love you all so much. Bye guys.